Understanding the focus of a parabola. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept from geometry that has real-world applications: the focus of a parabola. This might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy to understand even if English is not your first language. So, let's get started on this exciting journey through shapes and curves. A parabola is a special type of curve on a graph. Imagine throwing a ball into the air. The path it follows forms a curve. This curve, if drawn out, resembles what mathematicians call a parabola. It's defined as the set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed point, known as the focus, and a line called the directrix. The beauty of a parabola lies in its symmetry and the way it curves. Now, let's talk about the focus of a parabola. The focus is a fixed point that, along with the directrix, defines the parabola. Every point on the parabola is equidistant to the focus and the directrix. The focus has a very special property. If you shine a light from it, all the light rays reflect off the parabola and travel parallel to its axis. This property is why parabolic mirrors are used in telescopes and car headlights. Finding the focus of a parabola might seem tricky, but it's quite straightforward. For a parabola described by the equation y equals x2 plus bx plus psi equals x squared plus bx plus psi equals x2 plus bx plus c, the focus lies at the point 0, 14a, left, 0, frac 1, 4a, right, 0, 4a1, from the vertex, if the parabola opens upwards or downwards. If it opens to the side, the formula adjusts accordingly. The key is to understand the equation and the direction in which the parabola opens. The concept of the focus is not just theoretical. It has practical applications in everyday life. For example, satellite dishes are shaped like parabolas with the receiver placed at the focus. This design allows the dish to collect signals from satellites and concentrate them at the focus for stronger reception. Similarly, parabolic mirrors are used in solar panels to focus sunlight into a single point, generating more heat and, consequently, more power. We hope this video has shed some light on the intriguing concept of the focus of a parabola and made it more accessible to you. Geometry is not just about shapes and formulas, it's about understanding the world around us. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.